Dividing fractions. That's the topic for today's class of part 7 in fraction level up series. So let's get started. My first category in dividing the fractions is when we are dividing the whole number with the fraction. So the first example is 4 divided into 1 half. So that means how many groups of 1 half are there in 4 wholes. So you can see there are 4 fraction bars, 4 wholes, and now I have to see how many 1 halves I can form in these 4 wholes. So let's divide each of the whole into 2 equal parts because I need 1 half, and now you can see that this is 1 half, this is 1 half, and so on. So how many 1 halves are there in all together 4 wholes? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven, and eight. So there are 8 1 halves in 4 wholes. That's why my answer is 8. And if we do it by the regular rule in which we all are familiar with keep, change, flip. So 4 divided by 1 half is equal to 4 times flip this fraction, or you can say take the reciprocal of this fraction. So 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 ones is just 8. So my answer is same. Use the visual or use the direct keep, change, flip rule. You will get your answer same. Next question is 3 divided by 2/3. How many groups of 2/3 are there in 3 wholes? So these are the 3 wholes, and I need to form the groups of 2/3. So let's divide each whole into 3 equal parts. And now let's form the groups of 2/3. So this is 1 and 2. So is this 2/3? Yes, it's 2 parts out of 3. Then my next combination of 2/3 is this one. Okay, 1 and 2, so 2/3. My next combination would be this one, 1 and 2, 2/3. And my next combination will be this, 1 and 2. So I am able to form 4 full groups of 2/3. So that's my whole number part. But can you see this one part which is left? Now this part, one part is left. Out of what? Never write this 3. It's not wrong. It's wrong. Okay. One out of this one piece is out of 2 pieces. Okay, why 2 pieces? Because I am forming the groups of 2/3. So I need 2 pieces to form one group, but out of those 2 pieces I just have this one piece left out. So it is 1 out of those 2 pieces. Always remember, this number comes over here, never this number. Always this number comes over here. Let's verify this with the rule. So 3 divided by 2/3 is same as 3 multiplied by 3 halves. So 3 times 3 is 9. 9 halves is of course 4 and 1 half when I change it into mixed number. See, our answer is same. My next category of question is when I am dividing fractions with the whole number, the opposite of what we just did. So it's half divided by 3. So this is one whole. Let's divide it into 1 half. Let's shade it. So let's shade it. This is 1 half. Okay. Now I want to divide this 1 half shaded piece in 3 equal parts. Okay. Now you can do the division either vertically or you can do the division either horizontally. So I have divided this as vertically. So let's do the division horizontally. So divide it into 3 equal pieces. 1, 2, and 3. So these are the 3 equal pieces. Take any one piece. Okay, pick any one piece. I will pick this piece. Now this piece is, how much is this piece? It is just one piece. So 1 out of how many? Let's divide the whole fraction bar into the equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 1 over 6 or 1/6. Okay. So and if you use the rule, keep, change this divide to multiply and flip this 3. So what is the denominator of 3? It's basically 1. So when you flip it, it's 1/3, and of course your answer is 1/6. So that's why this answer is 1/6. Let's do the next one. 2/3 divided into 2 equal parts. So first let's divide it into 3 equal parts or thirds. Let's represent 2/3 by shading. So this is 1/3 and this is 2/3. Okay. Now I will divide this 2/3 into 2 equal pieces. We just did our division vertically. So let's do it now horizontally. So divide into 2 equal parts. So this is one part, this is second part. Take any one part, either the upper one or the bottom lower one. So how many are there in one piece? One, two. So my answer is two out of how many? Let's divide the whole into equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 2 sixths, and 2 sixths is actually 1/3. Let's verify it with the keep change flip rule. 2/3 divided by 2 is same as 2/3 multiply by, what is the denominator of 2? 1. So 1/2. So I get 2 over 6. See, our answer is same, and 2 sixths is 1/3. That's all in today's video. My next part will be when we are dividing the fractions with the rule and dividing fractions with the fractions. All right, bye bye. See you tomorrow.